dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay?
Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Caroline. Guys, okay, so we are going to undecorate for Christmas. How do you say that? We're undecorating, we are cleaning, we are getting the crap out and saving it for next year. I just came back from shopping, so I'm feeling motivated because I want to put like my new stuff up. But I think I'm going to take out the stuff for Christmas and then just kind of leave it as a blank canvas for this video. I always say this and then I end up like decorating, but we're not going to do that this time. Okay, so we're gonna take all the stuff down, leave it a blank canvas, put away everything neatly, and then start to clean and organize cabinets and stuff, because when I decorate I just make a mess and I'm sure I just have a bunch of stuff. But I think my next video will be like organizing cabinets and stuff to kind of get rid of things I know I don't like anymore. I could even go through my decoration bins. Ooh, that's a lot. But anyways, we'll do that in the next video. So y'all stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, and let's go undecorate.
Recall when we were young, running from all things at once, without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. This road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Time is gone.
Okay, so this is just the kitchen, and then I have my wreaths down here. So let's keep going. I think I'm going to do the living room now.
I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out from the dark. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Bruises, they come and they go, and we have to try and keep up, 'cause this life's so much more. Ooh, and I still wonder where you are. Ooh, if you found a way out, come seek me out.
Okay, so Christmas threw up in here. Oh, I'm exhausted. All right, now I'm gonna try and put this stuff away. Guys, this is the face of regret. I'm tired, very tired. And I have this mess. And there's more over there. I can't. I quit. Can I quit? Can someone else come do it? I quit. I even felt like I was gonna pass out. That's laziness. All right, I just ate lunch. So I'm going to continue. Let's go.
Let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Be with you. All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you. Be with you. Be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you. Wanna be
come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights.